Okay, welcome back to New Zealand. Exciting news, we just got an email through that Car 98 has cleared customs. We're gonna take 2 trailers and go pick it up and then work out where to put it, because we have a full house currently. For now, this is kind of the start of the next video, or maybe a continuation of the last one when I loaded it into the container. It's been sort of 3 weeks since I did that, but I figured this is probably not a bad time to just quickly film something before it all happens and becomes chaos. So I gotta prep some trailers and get some stuff sorted, which I won't film, but probably the next clip I'll try to remember to film on our way to pick it up, and sort of the goings on when we collect it. I'll film what I can, and maybe we can chuck together a little bit of a video of it. Try to sort of document the process of, you know, the loading in Australia, bringing to New Zealand, collecting, fixing, and then sending back. So we'll try to document it. Whether I'm any good at that, I'm not sure, but yeah, hopefully, that's a pretty long clip. Hopefully we can take something out of that that's usable. Cheers. I've just hooked up the Chev to a trailer and the nav to a trailer. So we'll put the car in this one. That's why the Chev's hooked up to this one, because it's going to probably be way heavier than this one, and we'll chuck all the other shit in this one. We've got a heap of little motorbikes that we bought over in Aussie that we want to send back. So we got, I think, 25 mini motorbikes. So we'll probably chuck all those bits in this one, and chuck the car in that one. I'll try get some videos and stuff, but no promises. You might just skip until we have a car and we'll be like back here, but we'll see. Up and out the door. Just got to pick up the car now. This fella's just spinning around down there. Tough. Guessing he's going to back him.
All good? Yep. Go, guys. Go. Go.
Nice one. All loaded up. Got the car, got all the bits. Turn back in the ute. Sweet. Damn. Once again, I'm like freaking 2 months behind on videos, so don't mind me, but today is Wednesday the 24th of September. I've been smashing through cobras recently. This is the last one of 3, and this one is about to leave and go into our storage next door before its cert date in a few weeks. But there was 2 more cobras right here. We just moved Aaron's car 357 outside, and that means today car 98 is coming into the shop. I figured I'd film something before you move all the cars.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I just want to film this with you. Cobra's all done, just gonna chuck it next door and then we'll bring some of the other stuff in. But this has been a project that's been going on for probably the past 12 months. So to have it sitting here at this point is pretty wicked. Okay, it's obviously taken a little while, but this is what the shop looks like now. What am I trying to say? Explanation, real quick. I haven't explained what's going on, but the car's getting stripped down and the motor's coming out now. You've caught me mid-vlog, bro. What up? Oh, hold on. Give me like 2 seconds because I want to film this before anyone shows up. Yeah, I'll put you here. Yeah, bro. How about that? Okay, it's been a few days since we've touched this car. We've been busy doing other things, but the motor is going to come out today. That's the 6-litre V8, and that's going to be going down to Taupo to get rebuilt, as well as this block here, which is a 7-litre V8, and that one's going to be going back into the car when it gets rebuilt. So that's just quick explanation. Continue, I'll film more when it's out. I think I said that I wasn't going to film till the motor's out, but here you have it. The motor's out. So, yeah. There is the 6-litre on the floor, 7-litre sitting there. So next step is strip everything else off it, pretty much. We're thinking we might try leave a few things, but like the tank and stuff's got to come out, so I mean most of the stuff's got to come out. We might be able to leave a few things on to try save a little bit of time, but yeah. And to be fair, the majority of the car is looking better than anticipated. Obviously the arms are all bent and that, but like the mounting points for the arms all look okay. There wasn't much tension in the back when bolts and stuff were getting undone, but like all this stuff, all these mounting points look not too bad. As I say that, and this one's bent, if you can see that actually, so I lied. Yeah, shocks all fucking bent and etc. But yeah, oh well, I might film something and try to remember us to film while we're doing stuff, but there's a lot going on, it's bloody busy, so we'll film what we can. Other news, I don't know if I filmed this already, but I'm pretty stoked with how these have come out, right? These are the new upright for car 357. I don't know if I filmed these yet or not, but they came out freaking awesome. These are just clear coated. I'm not going to paint them. It's going to be something I'm going to actually start doing a bit more, as opposed to painting or powder coating. With the powder coat especially, you can't see any cracks through, you know, if stuff cracks, you can't see cracks or anything through powder coat, and then if and when it does crack, because this is off-road racing and stuff cracks, you know, yeah, if and when it does crack, you got to get all the powder coat off to be able to weld it, which is a pain. At least if it's just clear coated, they won't rust. Hopefully I can see the cracks, and if they do crack, I can just wire wheel it and it should come off, and I should be able to fix it. Anyway, that's my yarn. Yeah. Welcome back to the vlog. Oh, what have I been up to? I built a Honda. Well, I don't know if it works yet, but like, Honda, you know. Sick cuz. Look, check that out. Ute. This has been my problem for a while. Oh, bit of mud. Oh yeah, Ute. That's the life update. Goodbye.
I'll get that engine out off.
Hey? Oh yeah.
Get
Oh.
that engine out off. Yay! Hey, what kind of fuel do you run in?
Sweet. It's been like a week since I filmed last. That was Michael, just picking up the 2 motors, one obviously that came out of that, and the 7 litre which is going into that, and they're now on their way to Taupo, and they'll get rebuilt over the next couple months, and then the 7 litre will return back to Auckland, and hopefully we've got some of a car to put it in at that point. Side note, 357 is sitting here, and the new motor is now sitting in it, which is pretty sweet. I keep jumping into random stuff in this video, which is meant to be about car 98, but nothing has happened with that since I filmed last. However, Aaron has finally got his new motor in. It's been built. It's ready to rock and roll.
No way.
It's ready to be fired up.
Maybe.
Maybe. So we're going to find out. He doesn't want me to film the first start, but I'm going to film the first start.
That's terrible.
And then if it doesn't work, I'm just going to cut it out and pretend like it didn't happen.
No, you're not. You're gonna go.
No, I'll cut it.
Here's a video of Aaron's engine exploding.
No, I wouldn't. Wow. Well, maybe. It depends
Exactly.
how. It depends how spectacular it is.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's you.
I didn't get hit by a pistol.
Congratulations, buddy. Good on you, mate.
Ah, good. Good stuff. Now we can go to the pub.
Yeah. We drink way more now.
Oh yeah. That's sick.
Nah, cool.
Nice. Congrats. In 2 weeks' time, I'm racing at Tech Park in Tauranga in this old dog. And Aaron's racing at Tech Park in Tauranga in his car, and Dad's racing at Tech Park in Tauranga in 822. How cool.
How cool.
You see him run?
It's been like, what, 3 years?
Yeah.
Since me and you took this to Woodhill and blew the motor to bits.
Yep.
And it hasn't run since now.
Oh, I like it.
Yeah. It was quite the mission to get this thing actually running, but yeah, it's been like 3 years since this ran, and me and Johnny frickin' grenaded 2 rods out the side of the block, but it's back. It's redemption.
Straight through it.
Yeah, redemption.
Yeah,
we'll
cool.
be back.
What a spud. What have I been up to?